All right, this was a trick I learned to save time and send group emails in Google Classroom. So if you go to a specific assignment and you want to send some group emails to, let's say, students who haven't finished, all you need to do is scroll down and I say, okay, I've got all these students, it's assigned, and I can see that they haven't finished it yet. All I have to do is click on assigned, come up to this little icon here that's been sitting here, and it will generate an email for you. What's really nice is that it has the exact same title as the assignment. So you're not going back and forth, looking at class lists, looking at who's not done, and it's a blind email, so they don't see as well who's missing the assignment, whatever you want to say. Done. Come back, off. A common problem in grade 3, sometimes when you look down here, is students have done the work, but they haven't turned it in, so I can just select those students, same thing, and again generates it with the title of the assignment, which is really helpful. You can CC parents. That sometimes helps getting it handed in. Another nice feature at the end of the week, if you just want to do a positive email, you can select all the students that have done it and say, thank you for turning that in. So that was a little trick that I learned that saved me a lot of time. All right, hope that might help you. Thanks. Bye.